As an audiologist, one of the biggest mistakes I see is people waiting too long to check their hearing. And these days, you don't need to visit a clinic to get started. With virtual hearing consultations, we can evaluate your symptoms, guide you through tests, and recommend next steps, all from your home. This is especially helpful if you're experiencing things like difficulty hearing conversations, ringing in your ears, or you need to increase the volume frequently. And the earlier we detect hearing issues, the easier they are to manage. So if you're noticing any changes, I highly recommend starting with a virtual consultation.